Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to learn about all the three types of cash book which we have to study. Uh, the first one, which I have told you, that was single column cash book. So it contains only one column for amount on each side. That means uh, one column on the debit side and one column on the credit side. As you can see in the format, on the left hand side, that was the debit side, and all the receipts has to be entered on the debit side of the cash book, and on the right side, that is the credit side, and all the payments are to be recorded on the credit side of the single column cash book. And you can see there is only one column, single column for amount is given here, so that's why it is termed as a single column cash book. Next is double column cash book or cash book with cash and bank column. I have told you before that in this type of cash book there would be two columns. One would be for cash and then second would be for bank. So this cash book have two columns of amounts on each side, on debit as well as on credit. All payments into the bank are recorded in the bank column on the debit side. That means if we receive any cash from the outside party, that means from any of our debtors, so then we are going to deposit that check in our bank, and that transaction has to be recorded on the debit side of the cash book. Okay, and all the payments through or withdrawal from the bank are recorded in the bank column on the credit side. That means if we are going to issue a check to any of our creditor, then in that case that transaction has to be recorded on the credit side of the uh, cash book in the bank column. The third one is a petty cash book. I told you that this type of cash book is specifically for transactions which are of small amount. That means small payments or petty payments has to be recorded in these kind of books. So it is given here that small or petty payments of businesses are not entered in a main cash book because these are going to be entered in a petty cash book. The petty cash book have a receipt and payment side, just like the previously we have studied in both types of cash book. Here also we have receipt and payment side, but there may be number of columns for payment on the credit side besides the first total amount column. As you can see in the format given here, that on the left hand side we have a column of amount received. This is the total amount which an accountant is going to receive for doing small payments, and it is lump sum amount. Okay, not too much, not bigger, but it is a lump sum amount which is given monthly to the accountant for making small payments. And on the right hand side, that means on the credit side, all the various different columns are given here for small kinds of payments, just like postage, telegram, printing stationery, carriage, miscellaneous. That means under these heads, whatever we make payments, we have to write under these heads, in these columns on the credit side of the petty cash book. So with this, I'm going to end my video. Thank you.